And so we set up this contrast between something called the danger zone and the winning zone. And the danger zone is conditions in which it's wicked hard to solve hard problems. And the winning zone is where it's much easier. And, characteristics of the danger zone. And as I'm saying this, just do a quick mental check of like, oh, yeah. When I've been in situations where I thought I was going to fail or did, I was actually in the danger zone, cognitively in the danger zone. So problems that are, incredibly complex because it's everything all at once tied together. I have very little time. So I'm like doing stimuli response fast thinking versus sort of reflective, generative, creative thinking. I don't have time to run experiments or have experiences. So the iteration is taken out. So as a leader, kind of a built-in check is, one, do I have my people in the danger zone? If yes, then it's imperative on me to get them into the winning zone. And the winning zone is all those conditions reversed, where the problems aren't nearly as convoluted and complex and intertwined. People actually have time and safety to run experiments and do the iterative discovery, so on and so forth. So anyway, tying it back to Dana and Dwayne's question, we say in the book, there's basically three mechanisms to get out of the danger zone into the winning zone. So one, and this is the first one we pick up, is you got to slow down. You got to slow down. And the reason for this is that our brains are very good at quick thinking, which is good. Again, we have 25 calories an hour to think. So certain things we just want to have stimuli response, like, oh, light's yellow, it's going to red, hit the brake. But when we're in situations where we don't yet have useful habits or stimuli response, that's when we need to slow down and have that generative, creative, reflective thinking and doing where we can actually learn something. And so in the book, we give all these examples of organizations which were very, very deliberate of when there was a problem, they created the protective time and space to actually do slow thinking rather than fast. So that becomes mechanism one. The second, and that's to make, slowification, we call it, slowification, to make solving problems easier to do. Then there's a second mechanism, and there's only three, right? There's a second mechanism, which is when you have a problem, is there some way to decompose the problem so the problem itself is easier to solve in its parts and then reassemble it rather than trying to do it all at once? So simplification is the mechanism for making problems easier to solve. And then the third one is amplification. And amplification is making problems obvious earlier than not and more often than not, so fast and frequent. As a guy I know who this is a daily concern, he says, amplification, seeing little problems before they've had opportunity to become big problems.